In this video, we're going to talk about why waterproof conversion kits are more reliable and how they make your life easier. The first thing you need to consider is, as the name suggests, is the waterproof feature. The waterproof conversion kits are more reliable than regular conversion kits in the difficult weather conditions. They are designed to take a ride in the rain or snow. However, this shouldn't encourage you to leave your bike outside during the rain. Even though your kit has waterproof features, your drivetrain, your chain, and gears do not. The second most important feature that waterproof conversion kits have is easy installation. The installation is way faster compared to the regular conversion kits. The waterproof conversion kit comes with one T4 cable, as known as harness cable. With the help of this cable, you're able to connect the cables without connecting directly to the controller. This is a regular controller. As you can see, it has a lot of cables. And this is a waterproof controller. As you can see, there's a few cables only. This will help easy and faster installation. And your bike looks more fancier and has less cable mess around the frame. Another topic to consider is easy fix. From flat tires to defective components, waterproof conversion kits are going to save you a great amount of time fixing the parts. Because of the plug and play style wiring and color coding, fixing the parts will be very easy. To find more information about waterproof conversion kits installation, please find the link below in the description. Thank you.